Extreme couponing looks like a dream. Get $200 worth of groceries for $5? Stockpile for the apocalypse? Who wouldn't want that? But here's the dirty truth no one tells you. Extreme couponing is not always smart. In fact, it might be making your life harder, more cluttered, and, yes, more expensive. Let's break down what's really going on behind those savings. 1. You're buying stuff you don't need. Let's be real. Most extreme coupon hauls, full of processed junk, sugary cereal, and 8 tubes of toothpaste you'll never finish. Sure, it was free, but if you're filling your house with garbage to save a few dollars, you're still spending just differently. If it's not on your list, it's not a deal. If you wouldn't buy it without the coupon, you don't need it. Coupons don't save you money if they trick you into buying more. 2. It eats your time. Extreme couponing takes time, like full-time job time, hours hunting deals, printing, clipping, organizing, stacking discounts, driving to multiple stores just to use one offer. Now ask yourself, how much is your time worth? If you're spending 10 hours a week to save $40 on frozen pizza, you're working for less than minimum wage. Frugality should free your time, not devour it. 3. It creates a scarcity mindset. Extreme couponing trains your brain to chase deals, not value. You stock up just in case. You feel guilt if you don't use a coupon. You're afraid to pay full price, even for things that actually matter. That's not saving money, that's fear spending. True frugal living? It's about intentionality. Buying less, choosing better. Not hoarding shampoo like it's gold. Look, saving money is smart, but saving your sanity is smarter. Extreme couponing might look like frugality, but real frugal living is about freedom, not obsession. Buy what you need. Use what you have. Spend time building wealth, not chasing barcodes. If this hit you in the gut a little, good, you're waking up. Share, subscribe for more no-fluff money survival content. And remember, saving money shouldn't cost you your peace.